Well, we're headed out with the Rode Lavalier GO Microphone. Give this thing a test. I tried it out in the garage and seemed all right. I did a little bit of like heavy breathing, stuff like that. And it's also quiet in the garage. I've heard rumors that the Lavalier GO, or the Rode Lavalier GO, the audio on it's a little bit too sensitive. But we're gonna cross our fingers and hope it turns out good. Our Purple Panda, it hasn't been quite right ever since the Colorado trip. It got pretty wet. So when I was on Amazon ordering another one, I figured I'd give this one a shot. It looks like the profile of it's a lot smaller than the Purple Panda, or pretty much any of them for that matter when you take that little foam cover off. If you guys are interested to see how I got it crammed in this helmet, comment down below and I'll throw a quick little video of that up. But we're running a GoPro 10 with the media mod, plugged right into the side of it with the Rode Lavalier GO lapel, or Rode. Yeah, why do they make names so complicated? We're running a GoPro 10 with a media mod and a Rode Lavalier microphone. And right now we're headed towards Wild Horse. Moto Giant came into Nevada, so we went and met up with him the other day and had a beer, threw a little short up. I was thinking maybe it was Itchy Boots, but it wasn't. It was Moto Giant. I was way off. Today we're gonna go for a little ride. All right, well, here is the Rode Lavalier GO Microphone at 76 miles an hour across the windy Nevada desert. It's not too awful windy today, but Nevada usually always has at least a 5 to 10, 15 mile an hour wind going. So I don't really feel a lot of crosswind or anything, but I can hear the wind for sure, and I'm sure you can on the microphone. I got my stock windscreen back on to run this test and see how it does, and hopefully it does real good. The tests I did in the garage, they sounded all right.